Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on the PrimeXBT Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT application on your device. And once you have logged in using your PIN code or your biometric, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to set up a two-factor authentication for your account security, just tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then scroll down and then tap on security. You will then see the two-factor authentication toggle. Just enable this and you will then be asked to download and install the Google 2FA on your device. Tap on the next button to view your backup key. Then you can tap on the Open App button, which will then ask you whether you would like to add this token onto your Google two-factor authentication app. Tap on the Yes button and now your PrimeXBT account will be added to your Google Authenticator app. And anytime you need to log back in, you'll need to go into your Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit verification code to log in. And now the two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account, and you can go back to the security page to disable it at any point of time in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up two-factor authentication on the PrimeXBT Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.